Alright, you guys, look at this butterfly bag in TJ Maxx. Like beaded up front. It's like beaded and cloth. That one's new. Oh, look at that. There's fun sun bags for $30. So Rachel So $29.99. And all these beaded bags. Okay. Let me move over here. This is actually kind of cute. That's a cute bag. This is by Steve Madden. You wouldn't know it because it doesn't say Steve Madden all over it. Just has a little thing in the back. You don't see a price on it. That one's different. That's funny. And then large totes. Okay, these are $25. I like this green one. A swim and tonic. We have plenty of London Fog. Tommy Bahama. These are $80. $70 for that one by London Fog. Here's a tiny one. I have this. I have that black one.
It's like a flip phone.
35 for True Religion. You get the True Religion charms. Look at that. This is by Nanette for $29. Never seen it with like little graphics on it though. Well, that one's new. $80 for this bag. Look at this Steve Madden one with the apple. Oh, I can't take it off. $29.99. And here's this. The charms, the red one. That button. Yep. It looks like you could detach it. I'm not too sure. But we have like charms. The shoe, New York. Okay, down here it's just plenty of juicy. Oh, look at this turtle bag. This one is $40. I don't think I've seen it. It's pretty heavy. That's a cute one. Little makeup bag. Also for back to school. You could use it for back to school. There's this yellow one. Gloss and glow. Oops. This one has like the little flowers in it. Okay. By Urban Essentials. This one is $8. And this one, I wanted to see the price of it. And this kind of flew out of my hand. $15. Just a big zipper with a few pockets on the inside. Ooh, what is this one up here? This is 10. Have we seen this one? Let me see if I can do it. There we go. The woven zipper bag, and like the little flowers, it comes in black too, just like a little squishy, and purple. $12.99. Tender Love and Carry double zipper. So we got the bottom zipper. Can we get the top zipper? Can you open that one?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, same. Okay. Okay, and then just plenty of Hello Kitty We have Barbie. Oh yeah, a lot of Hello Kitty. Okay, I'm gonna get out of the makeup area. There's like a lot of little children looking at all the makeup. It's kind of funny. They're like, they look like they're 7. They're like, oh my gosh, that's so cool. So just leave them alone in that aisle. Sometimes it feels weird. Are these shoes pimple patches? And that is really funny actually. More anklets at $20 right here. This is cute. This one is cute. Look at this one, $10. More charms for your hand. House of Harlow, that one's $15. This is an anklet. This is pretty. I think this one's pretty. $12.99. That's cute. Piper K, 15 on the brooches. Oh, look at this one. More brooches. 17. And $12.99. You get the little palm tree. These are cute too. And you get 3. That's cute. And 15. House of Harlow. 17. 20 with the little starfish. That's 17 as well. $12.99. Okay, this one's new. It's like a colorful one. 17. See the colors on it? Okay, look at all this cool jewelry here. Look at all these rings. Some are going to be 15. Butterfly, dragonfly, the bow one. So cute. And more of these charms. Sandals at $29.99. The White Mountain. Okay, those come in handy. Let's have this tan one. I feel like this will go everywhere. This is by Cushionaire for $30. Kind of like the same price. They look comfy too. They have like all that cushion. A lot of Reebok today. Okay, let me go around over here. I feel like we should be starting to see new shoes popping in for like back to school. There's a lot of people go back to school in July. Isn't that wild? Keds. Oh my gosh. My mom used to wear nothing but Keds. She would go to Mervyn's all the time and buy Keds. It's funny. She bought like these navy blue ones or white. I think she mainly bought white. There's the pink Reebok. These are gonna be 40. Pull it out. Heated wrist massager. Oh, that's interesting. Muscle toning stimulator kit. All these powders. Like this whole area even have like protein bars too. Huh. What is this one? Is this a portable blender? Blended on the go. We see plenty of these. There's some on sale right now in Costco. How much are they here? It's called something Rocket. 20 bucks. Okay, $20. Costco, the Ninja ones, to get 2 of them. I can't remember the price. It was about 50. The yoga wheel. Is that gonna be like that? Let's see. Oh. That's $29.99. Oh, oh, yeah. 25, and you get 3. These are nice. These are nice. Panties are 15. Cool ones. Okay. Okay, we just see pillows. We got this ghost and the snake by Cupcake and Cashmere. I don't see a price on that. Oh, $25. Here's another ghost one for $25. The spider is $25 as well. Cause it's a TJ Maxx and HomeGoods. Oh, look at this, cute. I like this. Oh, I don't want to drop that. Kind of like a vintagey vibe. You do get two. Oh, I don't see a price. No, but this is really cute, right? The spider, the pumpkin, and then on top, $29.99. But they do have more wall art here. This one's $59.99. $80 right here, a two-piece wall art set. $39.99. And $40. We've seen those. It's the song.
Yeah, it sounds like it goes.
And that's $40. The part of the song that kind of sounds like a Halloween type of sound. And my husband's all like, what is it? I'm like, that's the song.
Maybe there's some decoration.
Oh, look at this Aladdin lamp. $40. There's Jasmine. That is so funny. I've never seen these.
She's like alone.
On the flying carpet.
I wonder what happened to that.
Look at this blue one. No idea on the price. $29.99. And we have this cherry one. I think we might have seen these. These are $8. Bathroom decor. These are $10. Okay, check this out. Wine cork opener. Look at that.
Oh, that's cool.
The flamingo.
It's silicone.
Yeah, it's funny though. And this wall art. Look at that. That's kind of cool. I don't see a price on it. New dinosaurs, $8. Here's a dragon. Look at that, dragon's new. Oh, they had the large ones. These had the tiny ones. I used to call them like Flintstone glasses because they had plenty in Burlington.
They got new ones.
I think we've seen that last time because there's another one around here somewhere. This is $8. Burlington always has. Look at this. $59.99. Oh, got it. $59.99 for that. I feel like Burlington is just so crazy. Not Burlington, we're in HomeGoods. Oh my gosh. You know what, I do mess up Marshalls and TJ Maxx when I'm putting the video out there because everyone's like, oh,
We still gotta switch that thumbnail.
you're in TJ Maxx. I'm like, yeah, I know. It's just like when I'm in the car is when I'm like putting them up. So like my mind is everywhere. A lot of elephants. I feel like you could paint that. That's kind of cool. This is 20. So I was hoping to find more Halloween here in this new location, but no, just pillows. But it's always fun. I'm gonna like send y'all those videos of little Halloween items I've been finding. Tuna casserole. All these lamps do. Oh, interesting. I was trying to listen to their conversation and my husband started talking. They're talking about putting stuff out. He was like, how early can we put stuff out? I think they have the clear spot. I don't see any clear spot in home goods for them to put out Halloween. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. It is crowded. Please stay safe out there, and I will see all of you in the next one. These are all 20. These are by Anne Klein.